Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Chevy Silverado bed. First, gather all your necessary tools, including various wrenches, sockets, and a floor jack. Make sure your work area is clear and safe. Always begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical issues. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe removal process for your truck bed. Next, we'll disconnect the essential components. Start by unplugging the taillight wiring harnesses, typically found on both sides of the bed. Carefully detach the fuel filler neck from both the bed and the fuel tank. Also, remember to disconnect any ground straps or other electrical connections that might be attached to the bed. Taking your time with these steps prevents damage and ensures safety. Now it's time to remove the bed mounting bolts. These are usually found underneath the truck, securing the bed to the frame. You might need a long extension and a breaker bar for some of them. If any bolts are stubborn, apply penetrating oil and let it soak. Before attempting to lift, always double-check that every single fastener has been removed. This is a critical step for a successful removal. Finally, with all connections and bolts removed, it's time to lift the bed. This is a two-person job at minimum, but 3 or 4 people make it much safer and easier. Lift the bed straight up and carefully move it away from the truck frame. Store the bed securely on a stable, level surface to prevent damage. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.